coming at you with another video. So this video is still for abs again. However, it's going to be used for a warm up and or cool down. What we're about to do is activate the abs to let each of those muscles know that we're about to work them out. I hope you guys are ready. Let's go. Alright, you guys, so first we're going to start off doing our side bends. I want you to reach from one side to the other and keep that core tight. Let's work. Okay, let's go. We got those chair poses with the twist. I want you to bend, keep that core tight, and then bend from one side to the other. Try to stay bent as low as possible and squeeze that core. Let's work. Awesome job, you guys. So up next we have our spine twist. I want you to keep that core engaged and twist from side to side. Remember to keep those arms nice and straight and breathe. Let's go. Yes, you guys, way to work. So we're going into our cat-cow pose. I need you to flex forward and back. This is all about that pelvic. So I need you to pelvic tilt front and then back. Nice and slow. Keep that core engaged. Let's work. Alright, you guys, so this next move looks a little silly. We have our pelvic thrust, so I really want you to tilt and squeeze to the front. I know it looks weird, but trust me on this one. We're working those lower abs. I need you to squeeze and push and work. Let's go. You guys are killing it. Keep moving and twist and breathe. Awesome job. Alright, you guys, so now we're going into those wood chop lunges. I need you to reach at a diagonal. Reach up and down. Remember to keep that core tight and engaged. Yes, fit babies. Okay, so we're switching over to the other side of that wood chop lunge. I need you to reach at that angle and reach and squeeze. Let's go. right, you guys, we made it to the last move. We have those jumping jacks. I need you guys to move, push yourselves, way to work. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much for warming up with me today. This is once again a warm-up or cool down after your ab workout. I hope you checked out my other 2 videos. Once again, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, like the button, and I'll holler at you beautiful people later.